Well, actually, it's very difficult for me to, select a few moods which I really like, but I would like to speak about, a couple of them. So I'll start with Terence, who projects creativity, and I can relate to creativity from my own personal experiences. But I think he has really pulled this entire shoot so well with the correct posture, poise, the correct hand movements, and it was very difficult to kind of get him to not to get him, but to get the correct shot. And I think Terence did a fabulous job. He's so perfect, and his body language, and obviously the experience shows, and he depicts creativity. So you can be manly yet creative, and I think Terence was the perfect person to portray these emotions, and he was fabulous at it. So I loved shooting him. Moving on to Sushant, the kind of emotion that Sushant projects is being manly yet feminine. I know a lot of people will probably feel that they are two opposites which we are trying to bring together, but I think someone like Sushant with such a dynamic personality and having so much of gender fluidity is able to express this so effortlessly that I was completely blown away with the entire way the concept came together. Kudos to the hair makeup team, to the stylist, and to Sushant, because I feel today that the emotions of male and female exist in all human beings, be it a man or a woman. And unfortunately, we as human beings have divided ourselves into being a man and a woman. And I think that division should end, because you can be manly yet you can be feminine, and you can project these emotions in the most captivating way, in the most humanistic way, and in the most realistic way. And I think Sushant really depicted that so well, and it was just fabulous doing that shoot with him, because he was so full of energy and life. And moving on to Anil, manly yet expressive. I think someone with such huge amount of talent and so much of potential, and so underrated. Anil, he's fabulous. I have worked with him in the past, and I got such a huge range of expressions from him that while I was shooting him, I was feeling more and more confident about the fact that he's so apt for this particular shot, which is being manly yet being expressive. And I don't think there is any doubt left after shooting these three fabulous men in the emotions that we have kind of tried to portray. So, I'll start with Rishabh. Rishabh, have been a part of my journey as a photographer, as a filmmaker, and he's been, he did the makeup for my first film, for my first photo shoot, and I think he's fabulous, and I keep on saying that. I don't need to repeat myself, but he's a fabulous makeup artist, and he's actually someone that, a lot of upcoming talent looks up to, and I don't have a doubt when he is doing makeup. I'm rest assured that this is going to be a fabulous job. We had Priya, who did hair for Sushant, and she's really come a long way. And I think all the drag queens, if I'm allowed to say so, are going to really chase her after the hair that she's done for Sushant, because trust me, it didn't look like, something which is wiggy or which is not real. I think the touches that she added to his look were really, beautiful, and he looked fabulous, and he loved it as well. And she handled the situation pretty well. Done the makeup and hair for pretty much all the sequences in our calendar. He's extremely gentle, sweet, and a lot of fun to work with, and I really had a great time, working with him. Victor and Sohail, I've been working with Victor and Sohail since the past 3 years. Pretty much I've been meeting them every day. They're extremely close to me as friends, as an extended family, and when they were there on the shoot, I don't think I had to really worry about anything. They did their job, as always, extremely well, and I'm so proud of them and I'm so grateful that they were a part of this calendar, because they just made the experience memorable, very. They made their calendar look very fashionable, and that's what we wanted. Well, Vishal is a very dear friend, Vishal Thavani, and the name of his brand is Dapper and Dare. And I'm so glad that it started right in front of me. And his clothes are amazing. I mean, they're the kind of clothes that I would love to wear if I was in the size that I could probably fit into. I would probably wearing the clothes every single day. And yeah, I mean, I'm so happy that he's been a part of this calendar, and I'm sure that he has a lot of potential and a very long way. Well, I'm a very expressive person, and my friends would always vouch that whatever I'm feeling pretty much shows on my face. So I can't really say that which mood of mine is hidden. I am somebody who is very expressive. I always say what I feel, and whatever I feel shows on my face. So I'm a very simple person. I don't think any of my moods are hidden because I'm not scared to project them. I'm not scared to, be open about whatever I feel. It just shows on my face. Well, what I would love to say is, I have been wanting to work with Runa for a very long time. She's such a wonderful person, which I've gotten to know. And, she's been so cooperative with all the problems that I had to face during this entire calendar shoot. She made me feel that, I felt like I'm working with someone I've been working with for years. I didn't have any stress in my mind that what is Runa going to say, because she would give a lot of creative freedom, which is very rare. And I just felt so secured working with her that I didn't have to worry about anything. And I'm so glad that we've been able to complete this calendar, and I'm so happy that I've worked with her finally, because like a lot of people must have said that we didn't feel that we've met for the first time or we are working together for the first time. I felt like I've known her, and working with her has just been like I've worked with all my friends, and she's so warm that I really wanted this to work out for the two of us. She's a fabulous person, and I wish that we work more ahead as well. I'd like to talk about Manavar. He's been a fabulous support system for this entire shoot, and I'm glad that he came around and he shot with us. I would also like to thank Vinay, who's done the entire BTS. I think it's very difficult when there are so many people and the photographer being on your head and trying to capture the right moment. And thank you for being so easy that I didn't have to tell you in months that move from the frame And I think he will be doing. I mean, I'm excited to see the BTS, obviously, but I'm sure that it's come out very well, and he's been very, very creative. He's been extremely sensitive, and he has also managed not to interrupt the shoot, and that's what the BTS should be all about.